So a couple of days ago, I posted a video about things I bought because I saw it on TikTok that I would never buy again. The first thing I talked about was light-colored ceramic cookware. I love these pans. Right out of the box, they are gorgeous. I was so excited to get these, but after a couple months, they started to turn color. I followed the directions carefully. I didn't use high heat on these pans. I never put them in the dishwasher. I don't know. So I tried lots of hacks that I saw on TikTok to try and get rid of the stains, like the baking soda and the vinegar one, but it didn't work at all. So in my comment section the other day, I got a ton of suggestions on ways to get rid of the stains. So I thought it would be fun to try them out. So my plan was I was gonna scrub each pan for 5 minutes with the product and then let it sit for about a half an hour. So the first product I'm using is Power Paste. I love Power Paste. I use it in my kitchen all the time to clean things, and it's excellent on your shower doors. If you have glass shower doors and you want to have no streaks, try Power Paste. So another popular suggestion was Dawn Power Wash. If you followed me for a while, you probably know I'm not a big fan of Dawn. I don't like all the toxins in these chemicals, but I thought I would give it a try and see if it worked. The next product I'm trying is something new to me. It's called the Barkeeper's Friend. I think most people suggested this one, so I was kind of excited to try it. The final product I'm going to use is called the Pink Stuff. This is actually recommended by the company that makes this pan, so I thought I'd give it a try. So now that the pans are all scrubbed and have the products on them, I'm gonna let them sit for 30 minutes. And now I'm going to take a magic eraser on each of the pans and scrub them as much as I can. And I thought I'd try my power scrubber for a little extra elbow grease. And here are the results. I found that the Power Paste took off quite a bit of the staining. I didn't care for the Dawn Power Wash. It kind of irritated my eyes, and it didn't really remove any stains. I wasn't really impressed with the Barkeeper's Friend either, and it really smelled like egg yolks. I did not like that at all. The Pink Stuff seemed to remove some of the stains as well, similar to the Power Paste. All in all, I felt like they all got a little bit cleaner from the scrubbing, but I don't see buying any more light-colored ceramic pans anytime in the future.